the mass of moist soil is 20 kilogram and its volume is 0.011 meter cube. After drying in an oven, the mass reduces to 16.5 kilogram. Determine the water content, density of moist soil, dry density, void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. Take G is equal to 2.7. So in this problem, they have given the mass of the moist soil, that is 20 kilogram, and its volume is 0.011 meter cube. When it dried in an oven, the mass reduces to, so that is the dry mass reduces to 16.5 kilogram. Okay, now they asked to find many terms like water content, density of moist soil, dry density, void ratio, porosity and degree of saturation. Okay, so from this given data, we can find the mass of the water. Right, the moist soil is having mass 20 kilogram. When it is dried, its mass reduces to 16.5 kilogram. So from this, mass of the water can easily be found out. That is MW, which is equal to the initial weight minus final weight. 20 minus 16.5, you will get 3.5 kilogram. As we know, MW, we can find the water content W. So the water content W is nothing but water content W is mass of the water divided by mass of the solid or mass of the dry soil. So when you substitute, you will get it as 0.212. Okay, the water content is normally expressed in percentage, but for the calculation we will take it as 0.212. Okay, so the first term, we found the first term water content. The next is density of the soil, moist soil. Density means mass by volume, right? So density of the moist soil means mass of the moist soil, that is 20 kilogram, divided by its volume. So you will get it as 1818.18 kilogram per meter cube. The third term is dry density. Dry density is mass of the dried soil divided by volume. Mass of the dried soil is 16.5. It is given in the question. Divided by volume will give you the dry density of the soil. So you will get it as 1500 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. And the next term we need to find is void ratio. As we know, the relationship between rho d and void ratio, the rho d is equal to G rho w divided by 1 plus E. So rho d is given here. Rho w is a standard value. You can substitute that. For G we already know 2.7. So in this equation, the only term which is unknown is E. So you can find E from this equation. So when you substitute in here, (1,500) into 1 plus E will give you G into rho W. Rho W is the mass density of the water, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So you can substitute the value 1000. So when you solve this, you will get E as 0.8. Okay, so next term is porosity. When you know the expression of E, you can find porosity N. From that interrelationship, N is equal to E by 1 plus E. Okay, so E is 0.8. So from this you will get porosity as 0.44. Okay. Now the last term is degree of saturation. When you know void ratio, water content, specific gravity, we have the relation S is equal to Wg by E. Okay, so when you substitute, you will get S as 0.715. Normally the degree of saturation is expressed in percentage, so you can write it as 71.5%. Okay, so we have determined water content, second moist soil density, dry density, void ratio, porosity, and degree of saturation.